I was actually pretty confused on what I wanted to do. So I decided to sign up for it. I wasn't really sure what career I wanted to take.
I was kind of confused with what I should do. And after I took the test, it kind of just narrowed down my options and I could finally choose from all of them. So the workshop actually kind of helped me narrow down my careers and realize what I actually want. It even helped my parents understand what I was actually aiming for. The most important thing that this website did was it just made me realize what I should take, or it just narrowed down my options instead of choosing from such a wide variety. But from the counseling, they first of all addressed our personality. From that, they had judged what career is the best for us. So this was a really nice part about them, that they were actually, taking out careers for us specifically, and even the careers they did not select for us, even that they were they were showing, if you're interested, you can take this. They were going really in detail with all of the jobs. I was able to see which stream you're supposed to take, what are the required qualifications you're supposed to have, and the other miscellaneous things like the salaries and all of that. I was able to see it.
It was really informative. It had everything given out. It was easy to use. So everything was in one place. So it was very easy to.
It's perfect for students who are stuck at which career they're supposed to take, what they are good at or what they should take, and they're being pressurized by their parents. So this is the ideal platform, and it's pretty good for students who are just going to choose their careers or they're just thinking ahead.
I think it was an excellent initiative, obviously, and this was a very important decision to make, and it is a very important time to make that decision. So if they organize these sort of things, it's really helpful for the students as well.